25, 2020, here we are, dog days of August, with the beautiful 5-week ascending breakout, with this week breaking Adobe, which has always been the one. And on the weekly chart, we are coming right up below our $500 target. And with this kind of breakout, we're going to continue to see what that continuation may or may not be. Now, here's the thing for you. Get in the alerts. That way, via my trading room, when that signal hits, bam, we will be giving the orders out. So what we're looking at doing now is, because Adobe is overbought, and it is, so we're going to just take a look at it from this monthly level and the weekly level. Once again, I'm going to go back, and I know I was talking about that when I was there on that chart right here. On the weekly level, we're 99.8% overbought on the weekly stochastic. And that means that you have to know how to take that weekly here, which I was talking about now on the monthly once again, so you can see that is the monthly ascending breakout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Adobe software has always done well. There are times that it has some problems, but what I can say is the top is definitely it on the monthly chart here. That's the monthly ascending breakout. Now, we have been in this for a number of times. If you take a look here on the daily, we can see that we're right up there on the daily overbought. So what does it mean? Well, it means only one thing. Back to the weekly. So here we are on the weekly breakout above the previous week. And that yellow line is a rising 10-week moving average right here. So we are going to take a look at the $500 put side because of the overbought levels. And we have been trading this Adobe software for a number of years, ever since I was trading back, my goodness, in the $50 ranges and 30s, I remember. One thing we like about it is that you can see where Adobe, when it does get overbought at other times within its trend cycle, you'll have these little pullbacks and test these weekly moving averages. And every time we dip here on that weekly moving average, we bounced, and then we got above here. So this is Tuesday, and it's early, because tomorrow we're going to see how much further Adobe can go. And like I said, once the breakout happens and the top gets overbought, then it will have to have a pullback. Now the low that this week was 469.5. $469 on this weekly low right here. Yeah. And so now we've gotten over here. Last week the low was 431. And now here we are at the top at 484, 65 cents. And here it is. And it is extremely overbought on that percent K. You can't go any higher than 100. So we'll be buying the dips when Adobe has its pullbacks, as it will. And when we get into the month of September, when you have a stock that's heavily owned by institutions like Adobe, when they decide to take profits, and that's when the pullback in Adobe will happen from overbought levels as it is. And there will be some profit taking in the month of December, and we do know that. And we will continue to buy the pullbacks. Once Adobe is no longer overbought, we will buy the pullbacks again. But right now it's overbought. So we can only make money one way. When something pulls back, we're going to be buying those put options. And Adobe made all-time highs, and it did. So once again, to the alert service on these kind of setups, we do a lot of them intraday, but this could be one that could be overnight, 3, 4, 5 days, who knows. But we would be deciding that. Once again, Adobe, weekly, monthly, daily, bull market run, overbought, time to cash in, buy the dip, get the alerts.